Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make tacos de camarón con consommé. So if you want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. Alright guys, so we're going to begin by making our filling. Here I have 2 pounds of large raw shrimp. I already peeled, cleaned, deveined, and chopped. Make sure that you reserve the shell because we're going to be using to make our consommé. Okay, so I'm going to transfer it to a bowl. To that, we're going to add 2 Roma tomatoes, half of a small white onion, 1 small red bell pepper, chopped cilantro, and 1 jalapeno. We're going to squeeze the juice of half a lime. We're going to season with Cajun seasoning, garlic salt, black pepper, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, paprika, and a little bit of salt. So now we're just going to mix it. Okay, so once we have our filling, we can set it to the side so we can make a consommé. Okay, to make a consommé, we're going to grab our saucepan, set it over medium heat. We're going to be adding 4 cups of water, 2 Roma tomatoes, celery, jalapeno, half of a small white onion, and a handful of cilantro, and our shrimp shells. Now we're just going to allow it to come to a boil. Okay, so once it comes to a boil, we're going to transfer our tomatoes to our blender cup, along with a piece of onion and jalapeno. Okay, so now we can get ready to blend. Okay, to my blender cup, I'm also going to be adding chile de árbol, 1 garlic clove, tomato bouillon, that's going to be to taste, as well as for some shrimp bouillon. We're going to be adding 1 cup of water, and now get ready to blend. Okay, and once we have that, we can transfer it back to our pot. Okay, so before I add the mixture, I'm going to remove all of the shrimp shells as well as for the celery, the cilantro. Okay, so now we're just going to add our mixture. Mix it. And just taste it, see if you want to adjust it. Add more tomato bouillon or shrimp bouillon. But I'm just going to leave it here while we cook the tacos. Okay, so for these tacos, you need to make a flour glue. So this is just mixing even parts of flour and water. So now that we have that, we can heat up our tortillas. Okay, so here I already heat up my tortillas by placing them in the microwave. So now I'm just going to separate them and begin to fill them in. So grab your tortilla. Okay, grab the filling. Place it in half of the tortilla. We're going to grab our tortilla glue. Rub it on the edges of the tortilla. Now we're just going to close it and make sure that we secure it. You don't want nothing to come out of the taco while we fry it. So just like that. And we repeat the process with the rest of our tortillas. And at this point, make sure that your oil is getting nice and hot. Okay, and once we have our tacos and our oil is nice and hot, we can begin to fry our tacos. So we're going to be frying them until they're nice and golden. Okay, once our tacos are nice and golden on both sides, we're going to remove them from the oil. Drain as much oil as possible. Okay, and we repeat the process. Alrighty guys, and once we have our tacos, we can now get ready for the fun part, serving. So at this point, our consommé should be done as well. So I'm just going to pour it on a little here. Of course, the consommé, you can always drizzle it on top or submerge the tacos in the consommé. But me personally, I rather just dip it. And I'm just going to be topping my tacos with some cabbage and pico de gallo. So this is already mixed together. I'm going to be adding some queso cotija, some pickled onions. And the pickled onions have habanero, so it's already nice and spicy. So I don't need to top it with no salsa. And of course, keep in mind that the consommé already has chile de árbol as well. So for me, this is just perfect. And I'm just going to be topping it with some avocado. And just like that, we can now get ready to enjoy our delicious tacos de camarón. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now of course you guys want to make sure that you enjoy the tacos as soon as you're done serving them. But I am so ready. Hope you give them a try and enjoy them just as much. They're super easy to make and seriously super delicious. And you can dip your taco or you can just sip on it while you take a bite. It's spicy, but so good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make some delicious tacos de camarón con consommé. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.